Hello guys, Mel here, product designer at Merlin, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Merlin on Outlook. Now this is a really new feature that we have launched recently, and now you can use our same interface that you get in Gmail, in LinkedIn, in Outlook as well. And if you don't know, we have been publishing some videos about how you can use it on other platforms like Gmail, LinkedIn, and so please check that video out as well. I hope it will be helpful to you as well. Now let's get straight into the video. So basically, when you are in Outlook, we have again used the same, literally the same interface. So if you click on creating a new mail, and you can choose from here. Okay, you can edit a prompt from here. Today I will create just a new prompt, and here we have introduced a new feature that you can change your models too. Right now, as of now, I am using GPT-4, and keep in mind GPT-4 will take more queries to create mail rather than GPT-3. Okay, but it will generate a more polished, more professional, more accurate reply. Okay, so I will just paste my prompt. So what I am saying in this prompt is basically write me an intro mail. My name is Mehul, and I'm the product designer at Merlin. And what is Merlin? Merlin is an AI Chrome extension that gives superpower to your browser. So I will just press enter, and same thing. You can stop generating from here. Okay, if you like to interrupt the thing, so you can do that, or you see it has already written a mail for me, and you can go back. You can clear it, or you can regenerate it. Maybe I will regenerate it again. Okay, so yep, so that's it for the new mail portion, and I will simply place enter to go back. That's it. And now if I wanna reply to a mail, again we are following the same procedure here. I will just click on reply, and as you can see, same interface have appeared here again. Okay, now for this timing I will just click on professional reply to generate a quick reply for me, and same interface you will get over here. Done. Right now, if I don't like it, I can totally clear it out and use something again. Okay, so basically that's the process, right? And when it is in mail, obviously Martin particularly knows that it's inside Outlook, it's inside a mailing platform, so it will give you suggestions or the writings towards that only. Okay, so basically it knows the context of the mail, and it will generate on the basis of that. So that was the basic overview of how you can use Merlin on Outlook. So let us know if you want to know more about Merlin, what other platforms can we work on, or something like that. If you have any suggestion, drop it in the comments or reach us out. So that's it. Bye.